Good afternoon, this is Dennis.Girod with Guaranty RV here in Junction City, Oregon. Really proud and happy to show you this 2020 Newmar Ventana. So many new features. Ventana has really been upgraded this year. Newmar's continued its great trek on quality and just kind of added to it this year. So let's go around the outside. New paint job. Really clean looking front there with the stainless steel insert. As we move around, kind of muted colors on the exterior. They continue with their tremendous amounts of storage. Ventana does have the pull-out tray. One thing they did this year on the Ventana is they moved the awnings to the roof. So like the Dutch Star, so they're in the cased awnings, Girod awnings, come out with electric. Give you great sun coverage. So in this coach we have a half bay pull out and we have a full bay pull out. Of course, on that full bay pull out, that's bi-directional. You can take it out either side. Additional storage here. Back here is chassis batteries along with our run bay. The big red knob is the chassis disconnect, so you can turn off all the power. Don't have any parasitic drains that way. On the back, they've kind of dressed it up a little bit, new lighting. Again, storage and storage. The plug we see at the upper right is for the block heater. Our DEF fluid. As we're going along here, our service bay, hose reel for the water hose, all our low point drains, our autofill, our black tank flush, power cord reel. The one thing I still really like with the Newmars is that little handy notch there in the bottom. Just run your cord down through it. Don't have to worry about snaking it through any deck plate. Chassis. So our ECM and our chassis fuses. So we go around the front again, we see this nice stainless steel here, but a really clean look this year, kind of a little more muted than last year. Going inside, a lot of changes on the inside decor this year. As you can see, new slide out columns, different top fascia with backlighting, beautiful poles this year. TV on the telelift behind the sofa. If you want to watch TV, you can raise it up. If you don't want to, you can lower it down. Galley pull out. Little electric release underneath there. So a little more square corners this year, lighter colors. And the wood itself, as you notice, is a little deeper red. So, beautiful new backsplash. Our fantastic fans controls. One of the things we can see back here in the corner, the toilet now has backlit for the controls. Something we'd heard kind of from customers that was a little hard to find at night. So going through back here, we have our king bed. Back in the bathroom here, emergency exit door with the ladder behind. New solid surface, kind of an octagon sink here. So this year, as you can see, just a lot of changes in the colors and the decor. They've added a lock here, so basically on this door, when this is pushed in, the door is locked. When it's out, it's unlocked. Gives you room for your pantries. Of course, on all these shelves, these are adjustable to different heights with whatever you'd like to store. Triple door refrigerator with a travel lock. New style chairs, along with, of course, our pull-out table. One of the little subtle things that we like to see in coaches, you can never have too many connections. So right here's a deck plate, so you can run your connections down to your printer below. Of course, our double recliners, table between, watching the TV opposite. One of the biggies this year for the 2020 is a new Freightliner dash. So as you can see by the armrest, the controls for the Allison, the Jake brake, and everything are built now into the steering column. So it's made for a very clean look, very easy handling. Right here on this stock is your drive and your reverse. You can also shift gears and run your pack brake. But if you get a chance, sit behind the wheel and take a drive in one of these new 2020 Freightliners. Tremendous steering column, built for driver ease. So, hope you've enjoyed this tour, and we've kind of at least given you an idea what to look forward to in the 2020 Ventana. Come see us, please. Would love to take you for a drive. Thank you very much. Dennis.Girod with Guaranty RV.